Okay, let's be real. What if you could actually talk to your data? I don't mean just running some complex code. I mean having a real conversation with it. In this explainer, we're going to see exactly how Snowflake Cortex makes that a reality, turning your data from this passive thing you query into an active partner.
I mean, if you've ever worked with data, you know this feeling, right? That nagging sense that the answer is right there, but getting it out, it can feel like pulling teeth.
And this just nails the problem perfectly. On the left, you've got the reality for so many of us, these monster SQL queries that take forever to write. And on the right, that's the dream. Just asking a simple question and getting a simple answer. You know, the problem gets even trickier when you stop and think about where our most valuable information actually lives. It's not always in those neat, structured tables. A lot of the time, it's locked away in things like PDFs, reports, and customer reviews. Think about it for a second. All that juicy customer feedback, those deep research papers, critical legal contracts, all that knowledge is basically invisible to traditional analytics. It just doesn't fit into a standard database query. So, how do we bridge this massive gap? Well, this is where things get really, really interesting. There's this powerful approach called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. And the best part is, we can build the whole thing right inside Snowflake Cortex. So, what exactly is RAG? It's not just another fancy acronym, I promise. Instead of just throwing a question at a large language model and hoping for the best, RAG does something smarter. First, it goes and retrieves the specific relevant info from your documents. Then, it hands only that context to the LLM to create an answer. This is so important because it grounds the answer in facts from your data and helps prevent the AI from just making stuff up. The whole process is actually super intuitive. You ask a question, the system then acts like a super fast research assistant. It finds the exact rate snippets from all your data, whether it's in PDFs or tables. Then, and only then, does the LLM come in to stitch those facts together into a perfect, coherent answer. And this, right here, is the absolute game changer. Snowflake Cortex brings all these powerful AI capabilities directly into the Snowflake Data Cloud. This means the AI functions live right where your data lives. You don't have to build complicated pipelines or ship your data off to some other tool. It's all in one place. All right, let's get our hands dirty. For all you developers watching, this part's for you. We're going to walk through how to actually build this step by step. And as always, the first step is getting our data ready. First things first, we've got to create a table, but check out that last column, chunk vec vector. That is the secret sauce. We're setting up a special column that's going to hold a numerical representation, a vector, of our text. And that's 768. That just tells Snowflake the shape of the numbers we're going to put in there, making sure it matches the AI model we'll use. Okay, next up, we need to process all those PDFs. What's so cool here is we can use a Python user-defined function, a UDF, to do it right inside Snowflake. This little bit of code will grab a PDF, read all the text, and then break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Chunking is super important because it helps the AI find very specific answers later on. All right, now for the magic trick. We have all these text chunks, but computers don't really understand words. They understand numbers. So we need to translate our text chunks into a language the AI can speak. These numerical translations are called vector embeddings. I love this way of thinking about it. An embedding is basically a unique numerical fingerprint that captures the meaning of a piece of text. So phrases like great food and delicious meal will get very similar fingerprints, which means the AI understands they're related. It's pretty incredible. And you're not going to believe how easy Cortex makes this. Look at this. It's literally one function call. With snowflake.cortex.embedText768, we just tell it to take each text chunk, work its magic, and pop that numerical fingerprint right into the vector column we made earlier. All that super complex stuff handled in one line of SQL. That is wild. Okay, quick recap. We've ingested our documents, we've chopped them up into chunks, and we've created those vector embeddings. Our system is now armed and ready. So now for the fun part. Let's ask it something. So just imagine you've got thousands of customer reviews sitting around as PDFs. Normally, answering a question like this would mean someone has to manually read through them all. But with the RAG system we just built, it's a piece of cake. And boom, this is the payoff. Look at how beautifully simple that query is. No crazy joins, no complex text parsing. We just use the extract answer function. Behind the scenes, Cortex is turning our question into a vector, finding the most similar text chunks in our table, and then generating the answer. And there's our result, a clean, accurate answer, pulled directly from the source document. No guesswork, no making stuff up. That right there is the power of combining retrieval with generation. It's awesome.
But wait, there's more. This question and answer stuff is just the tip of the iceberg. With Cortex, you can summarize a 50-page report, translate customer feedback from German to English, or check the sentiment of thousands of reviews, all with a single simple SQL function.
So let's zoom out for a second. What we've just walked through, it's more than just a cool tech demo. This is a whole new way of working with our data. It fundamentally changes the relationship from an interrogation into a conversation. So what are the big takeaways here? For any developer or data professional, it's pretty clear. First, it's a unified platform. No more moving data around. Second, it's built on Snowflake, so you know it's going to scale. Third, anyone who knows SQL can start using this stuff today, which is huge for democratizing AI. And finally, it's just way more efficient. You can say goodbye to a lot of those complex, brittle data pipelines. At the end of the day, by bringing these powerful AI models right to where your data already lives, Snowflake Cortex just completely flattens the distance between a question and an insight. The barrier to entry has never, ever been lower. Which leaves us with just one final exciting question. Now that your data can talk, what are you going to ask it?